Hello, our topic is about Dalton's law of partial pressure. So, the Dalton's law of partial pressure has a formula of P sub T, or this P sub T denotes the total pressure. So, P sub T is equals to P sub 1 plus P sub 2 plus P sub 3, and so on. So, up to infinity, P sub 4, P sub 5, and so on. We're going to use this formula to answer these problems, sample problems. So problem number one. So solution, identify the given. So the pressure in a bottle containing a mixture of oxygen and nitrogen is 1.0 atmosphere. So may pressure daw sa bottle na nagko-contain ng mixture siya. So, ibig sabihin ng mixture, it is composed of various elements. So, meron tayo dito oxygen and nitrogen. So, ibig sabihin isa lang kasi mixture. So, it is now our total pressure, that is 1.0 atmosphere. The partial pressure of oxygen is, so meron pang given na partial pressure ng oxygen. So, yan, lagay natin as P sub O for the oxygen element. And may value siya na 76 millimeter mercury. Since naka-millimeter mercury yung partial pressure, so i-convert natin tong atmosphere into millimeter mercury. So, di ba na-discuss na natin sa dati kong mga videos yung pressure units. So, yung conversion ng atmosphere into millimeter mercury is 760. Ganon din sa tour. Kasi 1 tour is equals to 1 millimeter mercury. Kasi 1 atmosphere is equals to 760 tour, and 1 atmosphere is equals to 760 millimeter mercury. So, ito na yung conversion natin from atmosphere to millimeter mercury unit. Yan, solution natin dito. First, gagamit tayo ng formula, which is yung sinulat natin, P sub T is equals to P sub 1 plus P sub 2 plus P sub 3. Ellipsis na lang yan. And so on. Substitute lang natin yung basic given values. Yan, 760 millimeter mercury is equals to, so ano yung given na partial pressure natin? Ito yung sa PO. So, ang value ng PO is 76 millimeter mercury. Plus, ipa-plus natin kasi mixture siya. So, ang pangalawang partial pressure natin is ito yung nawawala. I mean, ito yung walang value, which is the nitrogen, kasi merong sa oxygen. So, ilagay natin ito. N. P sub N. Para masolve yan, unit lang natin. P sub N is equals to 760 millimeter mercury minus 76 millimeter mercury. Para makuha natin yung isang partial pressure. So, na-minus lang natin syempre yung given na isa sa total na partial na pressure. So, that is equals to 684. So, here, ito na yung sagot na partial pressure ng nitrogen, 684 mm mercury. Kasi, if ang hinahanap naman is total pressure, of course, i-add mo lang din yung, for example lang ba, hindi given yung total pressure, so i-add mo lang yung dalawa, si P sub O or si partial pressure of oxygen and the partial pressure of nitrogen. So, okay na yung problem number 1. So, proceed na tayo sa problem number 2. Natin yung mga given values. So, number 2 na tayo. A gas mixture contains hydrogen. Lagay natin dito si hydrogen. So, merong element hydrogen. So, P sub H are partial pressure of hydrogen. And PHE para kay helium. And PNE para kay neon. And PAR para kay argon or partial pressure ng argon. And dagdag natin yung total pressure ng lahat ng partial pressure niyan. So, syempre may total pressure din. So, continue. Gas mixture contains hydrogen, helium, neon, and argon. So, may given na total pressure which is ito, 0.924 atmosphere. Yung order niya is kung sino yung nauna. So, si helium, ito yung nauna na value, 0.152. So, kay neon, 0.254 atmosphere. Tapos sa kay argon, merong 0.351 pala atmosphere. So, si hydrogen, partial pressure ng hydrogen is not yet defined. So, we're going to solve it for partial pressure of hydrogen. Dito na lang tayo mag-solve sa grid. Gamit ko yung formula na ito. E. So, E is equals 0.924 atmosphere. So, tinapos tayo sa spacing. So, need talaga yung unit, no? Ilagay natin. The partial pressure of hydrogen is yun yung ina-ask sa problem. So, yan. Ilagay lang natin dyan. Plus, so yung value ng partial pressure ng helium is 0.152 atmosphere plus sa kay neon. So, sa kay neon is meron 0.254 atmosphere plus kay argon 0.351 atmosphere. First, separate muna natin yung partial pressure ni hydrogen, then equal 924. I-move natin dito. Minus natin dito sa partial pressure ng helium, neon, and argon para makuha yung partial pressure ni hydrogen. So, 0.152 atmosphere plus 0.256 plus 0.351. Yan. So, makukuha na natin yung sagot dito if ma-solve natin to. Yung sagot 0.165 atmosphere. Ayan. To check, no? To check if tama ba yung value ng partial pressure, may hydrogen is i-add mo lang to dito sa 0.152, sa 0.256, and sa 0.351 para ma-total yung mga partial pressure, nakuha yung total pressure na 0.924. So, i-add natin, check natin, plus 0.255. So, ayan, nakuha kong yung total pressure na 0.924 through adding all the partial pressure values. So, pwede mo rin siya gamitan ng shift solve method sa cycle mo if nagmamadali ka na isolve yung problem. So, yan yung formula. Total pressure is equals to P sub 1 plus P sub 2 plus P sub 3 and so on. So, this is the formula for Dalton's law of partial pressure. So, na-answer na natin yung problem number 2. Tapos